Welcome to Vietnamese home cooking, everyone. I'm back here today to share with everyone how to pickle the bean sprout. It's a quick and easy process that we can be able to eat them right after just 5 or 6 hours. It tastes deliciously fresh and crunchy. Let's prepare 2 pounds of bean sprout, some strings of carrot, and a handful of chives. We would want to wash them all together so that everything will be evenly mixed. Cut into slices a shallot, a cup of garlic, and put into the jar. Add in 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 cup of salt, 2/3 cup of white vinegar, and 6 cups of cool water. Mix until the sugar and the salt dissolve completely into the water. Then it's ready to add in the bean sprout. Gently press down to the level of the salt water. Let it soak for about 5 to 6 hours and it's ready to be served. This is our pickle after 6 hours. This pickle will taste awesomely delicious with boiled pork belly. It also tastes amazing when goes with braised pork belly. Speaking of braised pork belly, I want to pre-introduce my next video will be the pork belly in pineapple sauce. To receive the new recipe in time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below with the bell turned on. Oh, and a thumb up also if you like this video, please. Thank you for watching Vietnamese home cooking, everyone, and see you soon.